Various ways of classifying the political system and the political parties. There are many ways of classifying the political parties and the party system. One, on the basis of the number of parties in a country, the party system can be a uniparty system, two, on the basis of the area of influence, a party can be a national party, three, on the basis of ideology, a political party may be a leftist party, a rightist party, or a centrist party. Recognized political parties, national parties, and state parties. All the political parties have to register themselves with the Election Commission of India. Some special facilities are given to the large and established parties. Parties that have this benefit are called the recognized political parties. In an election to the assembly of a state and wins at least 2 seats is recognized as a state party. A political party that wins at least 6% votes in the Lok Sabha elections or elections in 4 states and wins at least seats in the Lok Sabha is recognized as a national party. The 6 major national parties of India are Indian National Congress, Bharatiya Janata Party, Bahujan Samaj Party, Communist Party of India, Marxist, Communist Party of India, Nationalist Congress Party. All the major or national political parties have been allotted well-known and permanent symbols by the Election Commission. In 1997, Bahujan Samaj Party has also been recognized as a national party, and it has been allotted the symbol of an elephant. Now a question arises As to why symbols are allotted to the political parties, the answer is not too far off to seek. 1. Firstly, even an ordinary and an illiterate man can easily recognize the party by its symbol. 2. The symbols help the political parties to easily arrange their processions and meetings and carry on their propaganda from street to street. 3. If there are more than one candidates of the same name in the same constituency, the symbols prove all the more useful. Only by recognizing the symbols, one can easily cast his vote. On the basis of the number of parties in the political system. A political party is a group of people in the uniparty system. There is only one party in the political system. This system is against democracy, which allows everybody to express his or her opinion. People do not enjoy full rights and freedom. They are not allowed the freedom of thought and expression and the freedom to criticize the government policies. The existence of two or more parties in the political system gives voters the option in elections But these days, the parties more or less agree on the different problems facing the country. They are also more or less similar in their ideologies. They differ only on the preferences and priorities about such issues.